Salman, an engineering student. Shah Rukh was his best friend. He doesn't study a lot, but girls were fond of him because he was so smart. But he was scared of the exam. Shah Rukh said, "Don't be afraid, my friend. Just chill. I've got a plan. I have collected all the suggestions. Question will be surely common." He gave all the shortcut plans. Salman only followed his suggestions. But alas, he still failed in two subjects, just like before. Shah Rukh was a good student and he passed easily. Maybe Shah Rukh betrayed him, gave him the wrong suggestion so that he would fail. But Katrina broke up with him because his result was poor. Katrina was found with Shah Rukh as he had a better future. Broken-hearted Salman, it's not fair. Result doesn't define the future. How could you do this to me? Is this only because I'm not a good student? Shah Rukh was so busy with his studies that he didn't have enough time for Katrina. But Katrina dumped him also because his family wasn't wealthy enough. Shah Rukh had to be broken-hearted just like Salman. Salman said, "It's okay, my friend. Love sucks, I know, and bitches exist. But why so fucked up?" Shah Rukh learned how to be so cool, and now he doesn't give a shit to anybody. They learn to enjoy. Because with friends, everything is awesome.